I will unveil coral almond for you. It's beautiful, beautiful coral tones mein hai with peachy hues to it. Check out the hand worked on gala, nakshi, diamantes in different shapes. You can check out nakshi very delicately and very differently done through and through with sequins, pearls all over it. Not just this, the back neckline for the outfit is all heavily worked on too. ये है जी हमारा beautifully sequined webbed sleeves का chiffon fabric, which is very pretty in coral tones. And of course, check this out. This is for the sleeves. This is heavily done up to, beautifully handcrafted with crystals, pearls, nakshi, stones. Wow, this is quite heavy. Everything is quite handworked on in this one. Moving on to the next part is the beautiful and very, very wide. ये आप देख सकते हो इसका border है. This is all sequined, beautifully sequined and tilla worked on one. Oh, gorgeous. I'm loving all these suits. Beautiful collection of monsoon wedding. Let me open it up a bit for you. ये है जी इसका पूरा web. This is all sequined and tilla worked on. This is the through and through fabric for you. This is in pure chiffon, very beautifully and delicately done up for you. Moving on to the interesting next part, and that is our, ये है जी हमारी गोटा लेस for the trimmings. या जोड़ पे आपने कलियों को लगाना है जहाँ आप करना चाहो. This is for the गला, sleeves, कहीं भी आपने करना हो. This is for the lengths. आप ये देख सकते हो जिस आपने जोड़ पे लगाना हो कलियों के तो आप आराम से लगा सकते हैं. काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस बॉर्डर टू फॉर द फ्रंट के आपके करना हो दुपट्टे के ये उसके लिए. यू कैन क्लियरली सी ओवर है राइट. दुपट्टे को आपने फिनिश्ड ट्रिमिंग्स देनी हो तो आप इसके साथ दे सकते हो. काफ़ी ये भी लेंथ में. एंड दिस इज़ द बटन. ये आप देख सकते हो ये जो की होल डिज़ाइन नेक लाइन है उस पर लगने के लिए. दिस इज़ द गॉर्जियस डायमंड वर्कड ऑन बटन. It's handcrafted specially for you. Nothing is what you will find in the market. This is all handcrafted in-house. So nothing is what you will find outside. Very unique, very pretty. And the dupatta, oh my god, I love the dupatta. Very, very pretty. आप देख सकते हो organza पे पूरा it's digitally printed beautiful tones में dupatta with sequins motifs all over it. It's gorgeous. A very cool modern vibe to it. Beautiful and a true amalgamation and fusion of modern and eastern. This is the undershirt and of course the